Publishing in Amazon can be hard if you don't have the right knowledge on how to publish in Amazon and know the right keywords to use. If you want to learn how to publish in Amazon without stress and without writing a word, without being a writer, kindly stick around. I will show you how it's done. This is Junior Ferdinand. I am an affiliate marketer and also an Amazon Kindle direct publisher. I've been getting a lot of questions on what is the meaning of Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP, the full meaning is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. How does this really work? Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow individuals like you and I to publish books in Amazon. There are different types of books that you can publish. They have low content books, they have non-content books. Low content books are like notebooks, journals, coloring books, you understand? And they have content book like evergreen model, they have trend model and other kinds of model. What is the difference between content books and non-content books? Non-content books don't have anything in it, like notebooks that people in Amazon purchase notebooks to write on it. No content is needed in those notebooks. Content books are like evergreen model. That's book that contains words in it, that contains written things on it, that contains images, that contains content in it. So they are trend model, they are evergreen model, and so much more. And Amazon is being owned by Jeff Bezos, the second richest man in the world currently, as we are talking now. Currently is the second richest. Jeff Bezos is the owner of Amazon KDP. Amazon is being divided into three parts. We have Amazon Marketplace, they have Amazon Affiliates, they have Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, that is Amazon KDP. You just simply learn how to publish books in Amazon, and there is a course that will teach you how to do this. What will this course teach you? This course will simply teach you how to do what we call WWW, that is writing without writing formula. That's creating a book without you writing a single word in that book. You understand? Creating a book without writing a single word there. All the tools you need will be provided. Everything you need for you to create those books, you create. You also learn where to get content from. You also learn how to create attractive book cover. You also learn how to title your books, the right keywords to use. You learn keyword mastering, like how to title your book, the kind of keywords you use in your books. You also learn many more things. You learn how to create notebooks, because we teach you how to start making $200 to $500 monthly in Amazon by simply publishing in Amazon. Let me take you to my screen and show you some testimony, what some people are making, including me, in Amazon KDP. Hello guys, let me take you to my gallery, the proofs. Let me take you to my gallery. Here, guys, some of the proofs. This guy have over 301 books. He have over 579 orders. Imagine if each order is $3 at least. Each dollar of the order of the book is at least $3. Imagine how much he made. This one is made $570.33 with only 19 books published in Amazon KDP. Look at what he said. Much thanks to Ayejina Abraham AB for the smartphone course. This is the best KDP guide course we got out there. Not exaggerating. Okay, let's scroll. Look at this one. He said, read this. He said, this book went live today. Imagine making $43.40. Making $43.40 in a day. Look at the date here. October 28, 2022. Let's check for more. This one. This represents a day earning. That's $100.23. $100.23 on 14th of October 2023. This is shocking. This guy, with only one single book published in Amazon, he made $20 with only one single book, because he published a quality book. Then this, look at this one too. You say text running. Now the chance to get the course. He made $15.25 made in a day. And one interesting thing about Amazon KDP is you keep on earning the money passively. Passive income. Keep on earning the money passively. Look at the one of the Telegram group here. It has over 4,266 members. Say I just received my payment. This payment was from Amazon. It's being paid in dollars through Payoneer, and he can withdraw it to any bank account of his choice. Look at this. Say this person made $1,000 with only 13 books. This person made $992.20 with only 10 selected books, with only 10 books. Okay, look at this. This person make $186.69 in 11 books, with just 11 books from October 1st to October 18. This person made $100 with only 25 books. Say my first $100 made within 18 days. Now Amazon KDP for all device they run out. All thanks to, you see, that's to the creators of the course. And so many testimonies, so many testimonies on Amazon KDP. Let's scroll down. Look at this with 33 books. $359.76 with only 33 books. just publishing in Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. And look at these two. Look at these two. Look at it. Many of them look. The interesting part of Amazon KDP is you can publish a book today, and that book will still fetch you sale, will still be purchased in the next 30 years. That is passively, you receive income passively. You might publish book today, that same book will earn you more money in the future, more money as long as the book is live in Amazon, as long as the book is live in Amazon. So you publish, you learn how to publish quality books. That's what the course will teach you, how to publish quality books, attractive book covers on Amazon KDP, and other things you learn from the course. Let me show you how the course looks like. Hello guys, this is Junior Ferdinand. Look at my own account in Amazon, my own course in Amazon KDP. We have the introduction. We have you should know this, introduction to KDP dashboard, setting up, installation of app and extension, US account using Payoneer, linking US and account, KDP account, creating, importance of pen name and book description, KDP pricing, and so on. You also learn evergreen model, you learn trend model, you learn journal, you learn notebooks, you learn coloring books, you learn summary model. So this is my own dashboard, my personal dashboard.
Hello and welcome to the continuation. I actually cut the video so that it won't be long. Now continuing from the last of the book, let's scroll down. You can see the bestseller rank is 228.
Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be providing you ways to make money legitimately online by just using your smartphone, internet connection. I will bring other updates, other good ways of you earning from home. This is perfectly for beginners. You don't need to be a writer to go into Amazon KDP. You don't need to have any knowledge on writing or anything. All you need to do is to learn, to have the right knowledge that you need to go into Amazon KDP. The right knowledge is the main thing that you need to learn how to publish books, the kind of books you publish, the kind of books that Amazon customers will likely buy, and more things to learn in the course. So for more information, kindly connect with me on WhatsApp. Let's talk about it. You can connect with me on WhatsApp at 090-177-49077. See you inside.